how to block website on iPhone. On the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on screen time. After that, scroll down and tap on lock screen time settings. So we need to set a screen time passcode. Enter in your unique passcode. And in here, it says, do we want to use recovery? I'm just going to cancel for now. And I will skip. Okay, so now we have set up a screen time passcode. Go to the content and privacy restrictions. And we want to tap on the toggle button at the top to turn on the restrictions. So here you need to enter in your screen time passcode. After that, we then go down here and tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. After we go down to the web content section and tap on web content. Now we want to, in here we have two options. You got limit adult website. So if you tap on that, you will limit adult website. Any adult website will be blocked. If you want to add in some exceptions, you can add in a website to the always allow section. Or if any particular website that is not being blocked, you can add it to the list here so that the phone will make sure it is blocked. Okay, so that is the limit adult website. The other one is the only approved website. So in here is a list of all the websites that has been approved. If you want to allow any other websites to be approved, you tap on add website, and in here you can type in, for example, x.com. So x.com, and then we put in x.com. So I'll try again, x.com, and then tap on the accept button. So any website that you want to allow to be used, you can add it to the list here. Anything that is not in this list will be blocked. Okay, so here we now tap on the back key. So let's say if I want to go to facebook.com, you can see it will be blocked. If I want to use it, the phone tell me that I need to add the website to the allow list before I can use it. And that is how you can block a website. So if I go in here and if I turn off this settings, you can see all of this section is now turned off. And once I turn it off, you can see I can now access to Facebook. So if I turn on content and restriction, it will be blocked. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.